It's okay, little guy. Hmm. You're okay, bud. Whoa, that was a good one. Hmm. Hmm. Oof. Hmm. Hang in there, bud. Hiccups don't last forever. They don't. I know. Oof. Sometimes I think you eat too fast, huh, buddy? Oof. You poor little cutie. Daddy, all I want to do is go to sleep. Heh. Hmm. All better.